Right, hello. Today we're going to take a look at a 1982 Viking 44 located in sunny Coronado, right next to the Lowe's Resort. This boat has been very well kept with a lot of nice recent upgrades, including new polycarbonate and canvas and a bunch of other stuff. Let's go take a look. All right, let's just give you a quick overview of the vessel. This is an aft cabin motor yacht. They call it a double cabin in Viking literature. But basically what you have is a forward cabin and an aft cabin. And the aft cabin on these 80s motor yachts is fantastic. They have a walk around, queen size bed. You've got a rather large flybridge, spacious salon, galley down typically, and then a V-berth with its own head up front. So on this one, you'll notice we got a Danforth anchor, electric windlass, up-down controls at the windlass as well as up on the helm. Nice, tall rail around this vessel, and built-in stainless steel fender holders as well. And look at this Brower crane. All right, so you've got dinghy chocks there in the center, and you can haul your dinghy up so you're not towing it behind you on your way to Catalina. 3 opening hatches on this forward deck. All of them, I think, could probably be accessed while you have a dinghy up there, depending on how big your dinghy is. All right, the name of this boat is Sinful One. Let's take a look at the transom real quick. All right, there she is. You'll note this. There is a crane on top of the sun deck hardtop, and the surround here is canvas with the good stuff. That's a hard polycarbonate, and that was very recently put in, and it's in excellent condition. All right, a couple steps up, and here we are on the aft deck, right? Some people call this the sun deck. We get a nice hard top, about 6'3" headroom, and plenty of room, right? You can keep these fantastically comfortable furniture and table, or you could bring in your own. And you do have a very nice wet bar here, right? So you've got your sink, and I don't know if they'll let this go with it, but this is an ice maker. And on the cabin top here, we have some newer outdoor carpet that's been serged around the edges, custom serging. It's in very nice condition. All right, let's go up to the flybridge real quick. It's a nice hot day in Coronado. I just opened up 2 of these side curtains. You can see the polycarbonate here. They just go up and out of the way real easy. And now we have a nice, comfortable, not too hot flybridge. And so this is a great spot. Like, this is your view when you're at the helm. Excellent visibility. You can see the bow there. And here is your nice simple helm with plenty of storage down below. But the upholstery on this vessel, on the flybridge, is this gray vinyl, and it's in really nice condition. All right, no cracks or anything on this. Looking back, you can see the second dinghy cradle and the crane. All right, so here at the helm, notice a couple things. Number one, starboard engine has 2,079 hours on it. Not too many, not too little for a vessel this age. 2,084 on port side. All right. Exhaust temp sensor, speed log. These controls on the right are for your throttle, and the transmission on the left. We have a newer standard Horizon VHF, and then this is the Simrad autopilot. Over here, we've got classic radar, and then this is an older GPS unit and a newer GPS unit for good measure. Everything's nice and clearly labeled. The gauges are in really nice condition. And then forward of the helm, sorry, I just took the covers off there, more gray cushions in excellent condition. You'll note the canvas up here is in excellent condition. It is very new, very nice, very well done, and no expense spared. They went with the harder polycarbonate, which is a considerable upgrade from rollable isinglass. Here we go down. All right, this vessel does have built-in air conditioning, but these owners like to have the place nice and cool, so they brought a little R2-D2 unit in as well. And but here, so we can open up all these shades and get a lot of light in here. Headroom is about 6'5", and you know, but it's a big open space really. So if you didn't like this couch, right, with its recliners, you could get something different and bring it in. They do have some stereo gear. You'll note the television up there. Wine and beer cooler. The flooring was redone not too long ago with a laminate. And here, this is that galley down, right? So you've got your galley to starboard and an enormous dining table here. With the cushions are in excellent condition. This is a comfy spot to enjoy your breakfast or evening meal. Now, to starboard, let's take a look at the galley. All right, so we've got, they took out the standard oven and replaced it with a little air fryer thing. And then, yeah, so it's just the air fryer, and then they put in a chop block, and then you have the microwave as well. Plenty of room for whatever coffee machine you decide to have. Plenty of storage in here as well. Plenty of room for your glassware, all of that, and of course more storage below. Refrigerator is, I'd call this an apartment size refrigerator, right? Good amount of space in there, and good size refrigerator. And there used to be a washer dryer in here. These owners removed that, so the washer dryer is gone. However, you have a rather immense pantry, which is great. There's a light in there, so just to turn it on. And then back here, this is, you could call it your day head, but there's a shower, right? So really, this could be your private head. It does have a Jack and Jill doors that lead directly to the forward cabin. So you don't need to go out in the salon to use the head. But here's this very nice and spacious shower, stand up with its own door. And then look at this. Nice like Korean type countertop there for the head. I'm sorry, for the vanity. And good amount of storage in this head. Now here we have a, I don't know if what you'd call this, like a J, lowercase j shaped double berth up here. Really plenty of room, nice little seating area here, and of course plenty of storage room. You have a hanging locker here, a couple drawers down there, and more storage below the berth as well. We have two opening port lights, air conditioning, and a hatch above. All right, let's walk out. And now let's check out what a lot of people love buying aft cabin motor yachts for, which is the aft cabin. So we have a walk around queen size bed back here. A little television over there. lights, tons of storage under the bed, even more storage to the sides, drawers and cabinets, the wall heater in here. It's just these cabinets are rather large. This thing's got a ton of storage. I should show what's in here. Hanging locker. Another hanging locker as we came down. And finally, let's take a look at the master head. All right, what do we have here? All right, nice countertop, vacuum flush head, and stand-up shower. This one's a bit spacious, a bit more spacious than the forward head. All right, let's do a quick little pan around. And here we go. The woodwork on this vessel is in very nice condition. The owner oils it pretty regularly. I don't see water damage below the window seals or anything like that. Oh, a little wet bar here. Very nice. Ugh. Thanks for taking a look with me at this 1982 Viking 44 double cabin or aft cabin motor yacht located here in San Diego. If you're interested in this boat or any others, please do give us a call at Coronado Yacht Sales. Have a great day.